Hey, what's up guys? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply, and today we're going to talk a little bit about using the right size platen for your garment and for your print. We have some tank tops here, and I've printed this tank top, and it's a little bit stretched out on our platen, which is about a 16-inch wide platen, and this is an extra small tank top. So what happens, like to pull this off of here, what happens is the print can turn a little bit oval. When you print the garment stretched out and it comes back to shape, it turns oval, and it's supposed to be round. Rather than this 16-inch platen, we're going to print this on a 12-inch platen. I've already have it set up here, so you can see I have my placement set up. I made a mark with my Sharpie to where I can pull my extra small tank top to. Got it all lined up, ready to go. We're going to print this one and pull it off and see how it looks. When we pull this off, it's not stretched out, so there's no rebound. So it's staying in a perfect circle like we want it. If you have extra small shirts, youth shirts, tank tops like this, you want to make sure you print them on a smaller platen, like a 10, 11, or 12-inch platen, so that your print looks good and retains its shape when you pull it off the platen. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply.